Morgan State University. HBCU, home of the true orange and blue. We are a national treasure, existed for 150 years. We seek to grow the future and lead the world. With all the changes that take place in the world, we like to say,
Hey, Morgan State, we want to address. Hands in the air, we are the Bears, and we don't take no mess. Hey, what up, K-Dot? You have us all impressed? Morgan State, we graduate. Make no mistake that we gon' be alright. Hey, we gon' be alright. Huh? We gon' be alright. We gon' be alright. Do you hear me? We gon' be alright. Yeah, we gon' be alright. Huh? We gon' be alright. We gon' be alright. Do you hear me? We gon' be alright. And when we wake up, we're hoping that you say yes for commencement. Our students love your songs, you're a Don. Oh my God, we go hard for our education. You making history for TDE, Morgan State, that's Black history. Come to MSU so you can speak HBCU. We got the victory, and the fakers, they trying me. Haters gon' hate, no mystery. Hey, Morgan ain't the best, you kidding me? Oh yeah, we one big family.
All my brothers and my sisters, can you stand with me? Everybody be the best that we plan to be. Come to Morgan State, yes, it's a fantasy. And tell me who else got this kind of energy?
Hey, Morgan State, we want to address. Hands in the air, we are the Bears, and we don't take no mess. Hey, what up, K-Dot? You have us all impressed? Morgan State, we graduate. Make no mistake that we gon' be alright. Hey, we gon' be alright. Huh? We gon' be alright. We gon' be alright. Do you hear me? Do you feel me? We gon' be alright. Yeah, we gon' be alright. Huh? We gon' be alright.